Yes, so once again, everyone, very good evening and warm welcome to this session. We are going to talk about affiliate marketing and lead generation, right? Because we find many people find difficulties in getting success in affiliate marketing or online business or network marketing because of the quality leads. And that's what we are going to discuss, like how we can help you to get success in your online business, okay? So let's start the session. Can you tell slowly? Oh, I'm being very fast. Okay, I'll try to I'll try to reduce my tempo. Okay, yeah. So we are going to talk about affiliate marketing and lead generation. Okay, so let's proceed. So are you struggling to make money online? Right? When I started affiliate marketing business around 3.5 years back, January 2017, when I started, I was really struggling a lot. I was struggling. For first 4 months, 3 to 4 months, I could not make even a single penny, not even a single sales, not even a single penny. I was trying everything possible from my end at that time. I was joining different training program, different affiliate network, different products, whatever I could. I was putting a lot of effort. I was spending money. I was going on a lot of advertisement like ads, paid ads, Facebook, Google ads, all those things I was trying, but I was not able to get success in online business. So I'm going to just close the chat right now. Yeah, thank you. So I was trying everything, but I was not getting success almost for 4 months. And then I came across a very good mentor who started teaching me affiliate marketing. I started learning something new process, which no other mentor, no other trainer taught me. Something new I was learning. I started implementing that process, and I started getting results. Slowly, I started getting results. So things started getting changing. I started getting sales. I started earning money. And that's when I realized that why for the first 4 months, I could not make even a single penny. It's all because the process. I was not following the right process, and that's why I was not getting success. So if you follow the right process, you will get success. It's all about the process. All you have to do is learn the right process which someone has already followed it and already got the success. You just have to repeat the same. You have to just learn the right process. That's it. That's the best way to earn money in online business. Okay, so let me pin my video. Yeah. So that's me. Okay, I'm a lead generation specialist, organic lead generation specialist, and affiliate marketing coach. And in the last 3.5 years, around 3 years, I've trained more than 12,000 people how to make money online doing affiliate marketing business using organic lead generation strategy. And this is some of my results in one of my affiliate platform where I earned more than $31,000 in 1 year, $31,000 after starting learning the organic lead generation process. This is this is another platform where I earned more than $40,000 in just 10 months. Recently, 10 months I've earned this $40,000. This is another product you can see here where I have earned. This is in India. You can see Indian Payment Gateway, InstaMojo, where this is the sales. You can see this week, 1 week sales is 2,57,000 rupees sales, which I have done. So all this thing, why I'm showing you all these things, it is just to make you understand that what I'm going to talk right now is sensible. It's working. Okay. Because you need to have that belief. Then only you can, pay attention. So for the next 45 minutes to 1 hour, I want all of you to pay full attention to this session because this is something very, very important and you are going to learn something very important. So please switch off your Messenger or WhatsApp or YouTube, wherever you are, Instagram, please cut it for the next 45 minutes because this 45 minutes is going to be very, very important for you. Okay. So let's pay attention. That's why I'm showing you this, because you should understand that, yes, I can teach you, right? That's why I'm showing you this. So few days back, around a couple of weeks back, we did this research, right? I did this poll through social media, especially in Facebook. And I asked people, like especially internet marketer and affiliate marketer, And I asked them that what is the biggest challenge you face in your business? And around 900 people participated. 900 affiliate marketers and online business people, internet marketer, they participated. And they given this data, 46% of them said the biggest challenge is sales conversion. That is the biggest challenge. And 25.6% people said that generating quality leads is my biggest challenge. 25%. And others, like 12% people said creating high quality content for the marketing and promotion. 7.7% said that following up, like follow up with the prospects. And 5% said others, and 2.6% said getting killer product, right? That is the thing. So if you see the top two reasons, around 72% people have these two majority challenge, right? This is the biggest challenge, these two, sales conversion and generating quality leads. I'm sure if you are into online business already, if you are promoting any of the product, I'm sure this one of these two challenges you might either both or any one of these you might be facing. So since I'm training people for the last 3 years, I didn't require this survey or this research to know this. I was knowing that most of the people, this is what the problem they face, most of the people, right? So, but to prove in the presentation, like to just test the market that yes, I'm right, I did this survey. So definitely the result was not surprising to me. I was knowing this already. So all of you who are here, and if you are already into online business, if you are already into affiliate marketing or any kind of online product which you are promoting, or you are into network marketing, you will be facing one of these two problems for sure if you are not getting success, right? So why? Let's address the first one, the sales conversion, right? First one. Now see, this is like 25.6% people said that generating quality leads is the problem. They're not getting leads itself properly, right? That's quality leads, qualified leads. That's the problem. Okay. Now, these 46% people, what they're saying, I'm getting leads because they didn't opt for quality leads. They chosen sales conversion. That means they're trying to say that I'm getting leads, but still I'm not getting success. Still I'm not getting sales, right? That's what they're saying. That means they're getting leads, isn't it? Sales is the problem. Conversion. They're getting leads, but they're not able to convert. So what do you think should be a problem? Maybe the product is not good. It may happen, right? That could be one reason. The product is not good, and that's why they're not able to do the conversion. But that's very less chances. Why? Because in the product which you are promoting, whatever the product you are promoting, or any business you are promoting, whatever the product you are promoting, you must have chosen this product by doing some research that this product is really good. And I'm sure you must be knowing that many of your colleagues or many of your team members or teammates or somebody, like you might be knowing that somebody who's promoting the same product are doing fantastic. They are getting a lot of sales every day. They're getting everyday sales. So if the product is not good, then how they are getting sales? So if they are getting sales, that means the problem is not in the product. You cannot give the excuse of product, right? The problem is in your process, right? So these people, 46% people don't realize that it's not the product problem. It's not the sales conversion problem. It is actually the leads problem. They don't realize. Why? See, most of the people do not get success in online business or affiliate marketing business because they spend most of their time in managing junk leads. You might be getting lots of leads. You might be thinking, I'm getting so many inquiries. I'm getting so many leads, but still I'm not getting sales. They are saying that they will purchase later, the later never comes, or they will tell you I don't have money, or they will tell you, no, I can't pay. I'm looking for something free of cost. These kind of responses, what you might be getting from your leads. And if you are getting these kind of responses, which I told you right now, that means you are not targeting the right people. You're not targeting the right leads. The problem is in the quality of leads. You are spending most of your time on junk leads. And if you are spending most of your time on junk leads, you will not have quality time to spend on your quality leads. You will never have. You understand? You'll never have. So that is the problem. You need to save your time to spend on quality leads. Then only you can get success in online business. You have to spend your time only on quality leads, not on junk leads. More and more junk leads you avoid, you will save your time for quality leads, and then only you can be productive. Simple. You got it? So that is the problem. So even these 46% people, the problem is quality leads, qualified leads, not the junk leads. Okay. And these 25% anyway, they realize the real problem and they're saying, so 72% people are facing the real problem is quality leads. Hope you understand that, right? So the real success mantra is this: quality leads plus amazing product. There is no alternate. There is no replacement of having amazing product. If you are not having amazing product, if your product is not good, if it's not a quality product, you cannot get sales. You may get few sales in a starting, but not on long run, you cannot get success. So there is no alternative of that. The product which you are promoting has to be amazing, has to be the killer product. That is one. And to sell that, you need highly qualified leads, quality leads. And that's the success mantra. If you are having amazing product, getting quality leads, you will get success in online business, right? Hope you agreed with me. So how many of you agree? Do you agree that quality lead generation is the most important skills that you need to master to be successful in online business? If you agree, can you please type agree? If you don't agree, type I don't agree. If you agree, please type agree. Yes. So if you agree that the quality lead generation is the most important skills you need to master, you need to learn, you need to practice, you need to master to be successful in online business. Yes. Target customer. Okay. Yes. Target customer. That's what quality leads, right? Generating from the exact target customer. All right. Thank you so much. So most of you said that I agree. All right. So thank you so much. Thanks for the response. Let's move further. So I have the solution for you. Thanks everyone for the response. I have the solution for you for both the problems. I told you quality leads and the amazing product. They both are the success mantra. And I can solve both the issues. I have solution for both. Okay. So let's talk about the first problem, quality leads. All right. So I have a solution for all of you. Do you believe, do you still have, like I showed you my result, but do you still believe that I can provide solution to you or not? Right? If you don't believe, let's hear it out from one of my team member. His name is Kadam Sai Charan. What he has to say about my training.
Hi guys, I'm Kadam Sai Charan, son to a super and loving parents, a beloved brother, mathematics lover, and I'm a brand ambassador of a top affiliate marketing program. So initially when I started affiliate marketing, I struggled a lot, like any other beginner, because I don't know what to do, where to go, which affiliate program to choose, how to do the other things. Generally, I have to find a mentor. So I just searching for a mentor and I found Ayaz Mohammed Bro. So I generally call him Bro, Ayaz Mohammed Bro. So he helped me a lot. In my initial days, it laid me a foundation to go to the advanced level. In the initial days, he really given me a hand-holding support. He generally takes weekly live webinars, provide value for the team. Because of him, I reached to the next level into affiliate marketing. Without that foundation, I'm nowhere right now, because generally you have to find a mentor when you are in initial stages, because when you research yourself in online, when you try to get information by yourself, you really mess up with a lot of other things. So generally you have to find a mentor who can really guide you and support you all the way. So he launched this organic affiliate marketing course. The people who want to get into affiliate marketing, if you are a beginner, if you are into advanced level marketers, generally you don't have money for paid advertising, but you have an option of organic affiliate marketing, doing affiliate marketing for free without spending even a penny on ads. So this is a great opportunity for you. I know Ayaz Mohammed Bro personally. I took a lot of webinars with him. I personally interacted with him in many ways. So he's really a master in organic lead generation and organic affiliate marketing. So highly recommend everyone to opt for this course. I can really say you, it can be really a game changer for you. It will really be a lay a strong foundation for you when you start an affiliate marketing or online business. So highly recommend to opt for this course, get into the course and just enjoy the course, and transformation will begin for you. All the best for everyone.
So that's Kadam Sai Charan. So what do you think? Now, do you believe, shall I proceed? Do you believe now that I can provide the solution to you? Right? Let's hear it out from one more team
Hi
member.
guys.
His name is Robin Matthew, and what he has to talk about it.
Hi guys, whoever is watching this video and is planning to get started to learn affiliate marketing with Ayaz Bhai, with Ayaz sir, do not think, okay, don't get into the whole analysis paralysis situation. Don't analyze so much that you get paralyzed. Get started with Ayaz Bhai, yeah? Get started with Ayaz sir. He's a brilliant teacher. Whatever I know today, in fact, whatever a lot of the people in my group who started learning with Ayaz Bhai, we've learned so much about making sales online and about affiliate marketing. We were ranked beginners. I remember all of us were ranked beginners who did not know about sales, about affiliate marketing, how to get your first, how to get your first money online, how to make your first money online. And then, he made everything so simple for us, because talking about me personally, before coming to Ayaz Bhai, before coming to Ayaz sir, I had done multiple courses, and I had multiple teachers. But what happened with them was that way of teaching was so difficult for me, because everything was so complicated with those teachers. But with Ayaz sir, he made it so simple for me. He taught us how to get organic traffic, means how to get people, who are interested in your offer, who are interested in what you are, planning to sell. He teaches you the skill of selling, which is the highest paying profession. Okay, everyone, selling is the highest paying profession, and affiliate marketing is one of the best platforms that you can learn with Ayaz sir. So if you're thinking of getting started with Ayaz sir, please go ahead. He's like a master teacher. He will always be there to support you, and he will also discipline you. If somewhere you're going down, if you're not following instructions, he will tell you exactly where you're missing out on, or what holes to fill in your learning. Okay, so don't get into the whole analysis paralysis situation. Get started with Ayaz sir. He's a top teacher, and I am a prime example of that. All right, God bless.
So that's Robin Matthew. So hope now you have some belief that I can definitely provide solution to you, right? So I have the solution for all of you. So I have created this training program, which is called as Leads Arc. Okay. This training is all about how to generate 25 to 30 quality leads, qualified leads every day using your social media platform every day. But it's not a one-day strategy. It's not a one-day process or 2 days process that today you start the training, tomorrow you'll start getting 25 to 30. You have to go step by step, but it's a long-term strategy. But you can learn a step-by-step process that how you can generate 25 to 30 leads every day. So if I tell you a little more about the course, the Leads Arc, it's a step-by-step process. You learn step-by-step what you need to implement, because it's not just theoretical, just lectures or something. It's every video is kind of, you have to take action. You have to learn, take action, apply, practice. That's the kind of, it's a step-by-step process that how to generate 25 to 30 highly qualified leads every day for any product, any business using social media platform organically, right? That's the point, organically, right? So, and this is not limited to any particular product. You can sell any digital products, okay? Whether it is your own product, you have developed your own product, whether you are a coach, consultant, you are training something, right? You're providing any kind of consulting service. Whether it is your, affiliate product, you are affiliating third-party product, whether you are in network marketing, MLM, you are promoting your business, network business, this course is for you. You can generate quality leads for your product, for your business, for your consulting, right? Without spending a penny on any paid ads. No marketing cost at all, right? That's the kind of process, that's the kind of strategy you learn, which you develop to people keep coming to you automatically, right? So this is not just like another course of lead generation or something, right? You will find many courses for paid ads and all those kind of things. You don't find this kind of course, right? Where people teach you how to not generate, attract leads. Like, you don't reach out to the people. People reach out to you. They come to you and say that, hey, I saw your profile, right? I saw what kind of job you are, like what kind of business you are doing, and I want to join you. I want to be in your team. I want to purchase your product. Imagine how it will look. So that's the kind of this course is, where you are going to learn the complete step-by-step process which you need to follow and generate or attract 25 to 30 leads every day. Okay, every day, organically. That's the things. Okay, so no paid ads, no solo ads, no chatbots, no websites, no banner display, no SEO, nothing. Leads Arc is very, very newbie friendly because it teaches from the scratch, right? We are teaching you right from creating the Facebook profile, like what are the important things in creating profile. So we are going that level. So you understand, it's so newbie friendly, but it also for the pro, right? Even if you are doing business for 3 years, 4 years, but you are struggling to get leads, or you are burning a lot of money in paid ads, this course is for you, because you are going to generate 25 to 30 leads is not a, what is a small number, right? You will get 2 sales, 3 sales every day, whatever the kind of product you're promoting. So that kind of, leads you generate, whether you have a small ticket offer, whether you have high ticket offer, this works for everyone. That's the kind of product which I'm giving you. That's the kind of training product which I'm giving you, which can help you to learn and do your business successfully. Okay. So let's hear it out from one more team member. His name is Gyandev Gupta, and he will tell you about my teaching, about my, like how I train and how I make people to generate organic leads and get success in their own affiliate marketing or online business. So that's Gyandev Gupta for you.
So hey guys, myself Gyandev Gupta, and I'm into online business. I'm into affiliate marketing business, and I started my online business in the month of July 2019. Before that, I was totally confused, like how I will make my first online income, how I will generate my first dollar. So I was totally confused. So I just came in contact with Mr. Ayaz Mohammed on Facebook, and I just asked him for the details about affiliate marketing, how I will start my online business. I just asked him everything. So what he said, he gave me a 1-hour consultation call. And after that consultation call, I was totally clear. Yes, I have to follow his training method, process, whatever he will be teaching. So I have just followed his, and under his guidance and under his mentorship, I have made more than $30,000, which is 22 lakh rupees in Indian currency. So like what he have taught me how to do sales, and how to generate leads on a daily basis, and how to do affiliate marketing in organic way, like without using paid ads. So this major thing I have learned, and I have made good amount of income in very short span of time. So like I was totally like before that I was struggling. So you can say importance of mentor, importance of coach. So if you are looking to make money online, if you want to start your own online business, Ayaz Mohammed is like right mentor. He will guide you in a right manner. So if you want to start, just join his team. He will guide you. We are there to support you. Thank you.
So that's Gyandev Gupta. So what will you learn in Leads Arc, the training product which I'm recommending you, which I have created? What will you learn here? You will learn the social media strategy which you can develop. It's a long-term strategy. As I said, it's not 1 day or 2 days process, right? The best social media strategies to generate hundreds of qualified leads every week. Okay, that's the strategy what you learn. Optimizing your social media profile, your Facebook, your other social media profile, to attract, to increase your visibility, so that you attract more and more leads, right? So you have to optimize your profile in that way. Then content for the social media post, because many people struggle to find, okay, what should I promote? What should be my content, right? What I should write to promote. So how to create and publish the compelling contents to get the result you desire. That's what you learn in this course. Then you also learn target audience. Like somebody, when I was asking that you need lead generation skills to master, somebody said target audience. Of course, very, very important thing. So how to find, connect and engage with your target audience so that they become your prospective customers. That is what you learn here. Attraction marketing, how to convert your Facebook profile into lead generation machine, into lead generation magnet, that you do not approach people. The leads get attracted to you. They come to you and say that I want to purchase your product. That's called attraction marketing, which you learn so that you get customers every day, every week, every month. See, it's all about when you get this attraction marketing, when people come and approach you. See, there is a difference between you getting leads like just on the paid ads or the clicks you get, and this the conversion ratio will be like not that great. But if you are getting this kind of organic leads who are attracted towards you, he has already checked about you and then he sends message to you. So the beauty here, the conversion will be much, much higher, 4 times, 5 times higher in compared to any other conventional method which you are using. So for example, if you are getting 50 leads, like 50 leads, and out of 50, you are able to close 2 sales. In this method, if you're getting 50 inquiries, you'll be able to close 10 sales. 5 times better conversion ratio you can get in in this attraction marketing. That's the beauty. Your conversion ratio is much, much higher when you learn attraction marketing. What else? You also learn Instagram strategy, that how to generate high engaging leads using Instagram. You also learn LinkedIn strategy, that how to generate highly qualified leads using LinkedIn. You also learn lead magnet strategy, how to offer free lead magnet strategy and build your own list. So, and much more. Of course, there are many other things. So all these things you learn in this Leads Art training program, and this helps you to get quality leads, which can help you to get sales and make a lot of sales every day, every week, and do your business successfully, irrespective of the product. Whichever product you are promoting, it is going to help you in that, right? So this is the solution which I told you about your problem number 1. The problem number 1 is lead generation. I told you quality leads, and this is the solution for you, where you are going to learn step-by-step process that how you can generate quality leads every day. So let's hear it out from one more team member. His name is Aman Rajput, and what he has to say about.
Hey guys, this is Aman Rajput, an affiliate marketer. So first of all, I want to tell you that I started my affiliate marketing business 4 months ago, and my main concern was I was not getting leads, I was not getting sales. I was working like hardly, and I was hardly getting 3 to 4 leads a day. That was my biggest problem, and that holding me back. Then I was about to quit. Then I came to know about Mr. Ayaz Mohammed and his training program. I found that he's providing some value, and I immediately took action. And then after taking the trainings, the help of Ayaz Mohammed and his trainings, I started getting leads, and all the leads were quality bomb leads. And day by day, like I was getting so many leads, and they converted. They all started converting, and I was very happy for that. So this was the decision I made, and it like gave me so much money, right? So in the last 4 months, I have made more than $12,000 just because of Mr. Ayaz Mohammed. I just want to thank him. And if you are in the same place where I was, you should go for his trainings. His trainings are amazing. You can get a lot from it. If you're not getting leads, if you're not getting sales, this is the best opportunity you should grab on, and you will start getting leads and you will start getting sales. From my experience, it was the best decision I've taken like in the last 4 months. So you should go for it.
Right. So hope you heard from Aman Rajput, $12,000 in 4 months, right? Yes. So how much should be the price for this course? Of course, when I'm talking about the training course, definitely it is not free, right? It has so much value because the course is going to help you to do your business and help you to earn money, right? So definitely it's not going to be free. Of course, I'm sure you know that. So how much should be the price? That when we decided, we created the course, we were thinking about how much to keep price. So we did market research, and we found that the kind of value which we are providing, because this course, which is going to help you to earn $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 monthly, right? That's a course in certain period of time, of course, or even more than $10,000 monthly. That kind of course, if you check in the market easily, people pay $500 because it's going to give you a lot of value. It's going to help you in your business directly, right? So that should be the cost. But then, of course, we do not want to keep that pricing, because we want more and more people to get benefit out of it, right? So that's why we decided to reduce the price, not even $200. But we had a lot of discussion with our team members, and then they all suggested, and with their discussion, we decided to keep $100 price, because of when we check the competition, there are many products which are getting sold in $100, $150, which are not impacting your business directly, right? They are not providing that much value. It is just like some other course, and it is not creating that value. It is not helping you in your business, in your online business, affiliate marketing, but still they're charging $150 or $100. So this is like the kind of value which we are offering, because this is going to help you directly in your business, right? This is going to help you to start earning money as quickly as possible. So $100 is the ideal. We decided that to keep the price, right? But we launched this course very recently. We are just few days back, 2 days back on Sunday, 17th of May. So 17th of May, when we launched this product, we decided to have offer price in starting. So definitely, ultimately, after a certain period of time, the price will be $100. That's what our plan is. But right now we are running an offer, okay? Because it's a new launch. So we are offering this whole course, which I told you, which we decided to keep the offer price only for the limited period, because we told you, right? Ultimately, we will reach to $100 price. But for the limited period, we decided to keep the offer price of the product Leads Arc worth, which is $500, to give you in just $55. Indian value in INR, it is 4,000 rupees only. So that's the price which we kept, because so that more and more people get benefit, okay? And we definitely need serious committed people. So we cannot offer less than that. We need serious people. At the same time, it has so much value that it is 4,000 is nothing. The product which is going to help you to earn 10,000 rupees, 70,000 rupees, 80,000, 1 lakh in no time. This is nothing. 4,000 is just tiny fraction of the return value what you are going to get from this product. The ROI is huge. It's huge ROI you have on this product, and that's why we decided to keep the price of 4,000 rupees. Okay, that's the offer price. It is only for limited. So as I told you, the product was launched only on 17th May. All right, so let's hear it out from one more team member. His name is Nikesh Rai. What he has to say about it.
Hello everyone, this is Nikesh Rai from Darjeeling, and I want to thank Mr. Mohammad Ayaz sir for helping me in affiliate marketing. And with his help, I was able to earn 1 lakh within 27 days. Yeah, exactly, like you can say within a month. And not only that, I want to thank for his training. What he's providing the training, and the training is awesome. So, and the main thing is that he's teaching us to get the organic leads. Not the paid ads, but getting the organic leads from Facebook and from from different social media. So I want to recommend you that Mr. Ayaz sir is good mentor to help us in affiliate marketing. So go for it, guys. Thank you.
Right. So that was Nikesh Rai.
Hello everyone.
All right. So this is the core product which I told you, right? The core product, which is about gone each night. Okay. All right. So the course which I told you, that is about lead generation, right? That's additional course what you're like, that's the core product you are getting about the lead generation. Over and above, we also have additional bonuses course. It's a complete package. You are not only about that. There are many additional courses which is going to help you in that. It's like a complementing the core product, and this course is also necessary. All right. This is also necessary for you to learn. That is going to help you in your online business, okay, and lead generation, of course. So let's hear it. Let's check what are the additional bonuses we are giving you. So the bonus number 1 is the video course which you are getting about social media content creation. So of course, I told you, right, people struggle to get the right kind of content which they want to promote and how to create it. So for that, we have especially this course, because many people struggle that, believe it. Believe me or not, many people struggle that they just go and copy everywhere and start promoting the same thing. Now, if everybody is promoting the same content, you will not get the response. You need to create your own content. So how to do that, right? It's not a rocket science. You don't need to be very good in language or English or writing, nothing. It's not a rocket science. You need to understand your business, and this course teaches you step by step how you can create the content for you. All right. So this is a simple social media content creation course. It's a video course worth more than $200. You get, that's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2, you get YouTube SEO. So to generate quality leads, YouTube video is also one of the medium where you create your videos, right? If you're not comfortable to come in the camera, you can still create the video. You can create the PPT like this, switch off your camera and create the video. So you can do still like that. So you can, but creating video is different. You can create the video, but still it will not attract. Even if you have amazing video, still it will not get you leads unless you do the proper SEO while uploading the videos, right? so that your video comes on the search, and more people, it increase the visibility. More and more people watch your video, views, and then only you will get leads. So if you do not attract viewers, you will not be able to get leads. So in YouTube, creating just amazing video is not enough. How to write the title, how to write the descriptions, how to write the tags, all those things are very, very important, because that's only help you to attract new viewers, right? So that's YouTube channel SEO you need to learn. That's another video course, bonus number 2, worth $200 you are getting here. Then you have bonus number 3 about email marketing. So you learn basic of email marketing, that how this autoresponder work, how to build up the list, how to connect, how to automate the email marketing using autoresponder. All these things, another video course you learn, bonus number 3, which is $200 worth. So these 3 video courses you are getting. Over and above, you also get some ebooks courses. And it's not just like you get everywhere, you get some ebooks which nobody looks at. It's not that. These are very, very good ebooks. So bonus number 4, you have internet marketing for beginners. It's not one ebook. It's a bundle. It's a complete course. Okay. You get 4 ebooks in this. Number 1, you get internet marketing for complete beginners. 5 reasons why you should start online business. 3 internet marketing checklist. 4th, internet marketing resource cheat sheet. All these 4 ebooks you get in one bundle worth more than $200. This is bonus number 4. Bonus number 5, you have affiliate marketing success ebook, like how to do affiliate marketing successfully, how to choose the product, how to market it. You get the complete process of affiliate marketing, right? This ebooks, another bonus number 5, you get value more than $100. Bonus number 6 is Facebook group domination. Facebook group domination. Now, creating Facebook group and engaging your target audience is another way of generating leads, right? You have to, it's not about joining and promoting in other groups. You create your own group where you bring your target audience, engage them, and convert them, how to monetize your group, convert them into your customer. That's what you learn in this book, which is called as Facebook group domination. Bonus number 7 is about YouTube quick start, because I told you YouTube videos is important. So SEO, you have video course. This is like just to create videos and what are the things you should keep in mind, what content you should do. All those things you get in this ebook. That is YouTube quick start, which is another $99 worth bonus. And the bonus number 8 is about chatbot, right? Chatbot is hot now, right? FBA Messenger marketing, how to configure your bot and how to create your process automatically where your chatbot take care of your customers. So about that, you get ebooks. That is bonus number 8 worth another $100. So you are getting these 8 bonuses in which you have 3 video courses, total bonuses, 3 video courses, 5 ebook courses, total 8 bonuses worth $1,192. You are getting bonuses itself along with the course. So this is the final offer price. You are getting leads arc worth $500 plus 8 bonuses, 3 video courses and 5 ebook courses, total 8 bonuses worth $1,192, all together in one bundle, price of $55, 4,000 rupees only, right? That is the 4,000 rupees where you are getting core course plus all these bonuses all together. You are getting in 4,000 rupees. That's the offer price. And the 2 payment gateway, we have InstaMojo, where you can, all these Indian payment gateway works, whether you have RuPay card or Visa, Master, or any card you have, or even if you Google Pay, Phone Pay, all this UPI, everything works here. So this, we have secured payment gateway of InstaMojo. So let's hear it out from one more team member. His name is Miraj, what he has to say about my training.
Hello everyone, this is Miraj. By profession, I'm a software engineer, and about 3 months back, I started my online career in affiliate marketing business under the supervision of Ayaz Muhammad sir. Whatever I learned at that time is managed to earn. Currently, I'm promoting 2 products, 2 affiliate program I'm doing, and in the first program, I managed to earn more than $1,250 within a 3 month of span, along with my full-time job. And currently I'm promoting one more product, and in that particular product, whatever learning I got from Ayaz Muhammad sir under the supervision of him, I managed to earn more than 50,000 in just 8 days. Okay, so that's the learning. I'm really blessed that I got a mentor like Ayaz Mohammed sir, and especially the organic reach. He is a specialist in organic. Thank you so much, Ayaz sir, for your supervision. Keep blessing us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much again.
That's Miraj. Right, so hope you understood that is the solution which I told you about the product, about the lead generation. The first problem I told you, I'm providing the solution. So I'm giving you complete package where you learn how to generate quality leads step by step. So that is one problem. The second problem I told you about the product. Like if you have the product, if you already have the product, you are promoting some product, this process works for you. You can promote your existing product by learning how to generate leads here in this training course, and this will help you the product which you're already promoting. Over and above, we are also giving you make money online opportunity where you can affiliate this product, this our leads, our product, and earn money. So that's additional opportunity which we are giving you, that you have the opportunity to affiliate LeadSark and earn money. All right. So hope it's clear. The business concept is clear. You are going to sell this LeadSark and you will earn commission. So this product which we are offering you is insane commission product, because you are going to get huge commission if you promote this product. And why you should promote? Why I'm asking you to promote this product? Because it's a best value product. The product which you're going to give it to your customer, you are actually helping him, because it has very high value product. It is going to impact directly to their business. Your customers is definitely going to be happy because it is going to help in their business, right? That's one reason why you should promote. Customer satisfaction, of course, because your customer is going to be happy seeing this product, learning from here, because this is learning product. What they're going to learn, it's not only for one product, it's for the lifetime what they're going to learn. They have to practice, and any product they're promoting, any business they're promoting, this is going to help them, right? So this is customer satisfaction you will have, right? Third thing is direct impact on their business. This is the product, because it's going to help them directly grow their business. It's a directly impact on their business, right? That's the kind of solution what you are giving to your customer, okay? And of course, the money for you. You are going to earn huge commission of 75% on every single sales. Every sales you do LeadSark, you earn 75%. The current price is 4,000 rupees. So if you sell it at 4,000, if price increase, you will earn more. But right now, if you sell it at 4,000 rupees, you are going to earn 3,000 rupees as commission on every single sales. 4,000 rupees sales, you are earning 3,000 rupees. 75% commission, what you're going to earn here as your affiliate commission. So it's huge, right? Huge earning potential you have. And right now, we are in the process of developing our own affiliate platform, which will be launched in another 2 to 3 weeks, maximum 2 to 3 weeks. It will be launched. For the time being, we are using InstaMojo affiliate platform. So they have affiliate features. We are using InstaMojo affiliate platform. So once you purchase our product, we will give you this process. We will give you this video. It is our video that how to create affiliate ID, how to get the affiliate ID from InstaMojo for our product. We will give you the complete process. We will invite you to become a reseller. This is our reseller. You can see here, subscribe LeadSark. That is, you become our reseller, okay, affiliate. So we will send you this invite, and you can create the link, and you can start promoting the product. But this is not for everyone, okay? So if you fall in these categories, definitely you should stay away. If you are not an action taker, because I love working with action takers, right? Because I'm going to invest my time on you. So, and it's not only about the course you purchase. Once you purchase the course, you become our affiliate, we will be adding you in our Facebook group, which is the community which we are developing. You will be part of our community, okay? And in that community, you will have, so this is the course learning, plus you will have community learning. So in that, you will have long-term mentorship. So you will be in group. Any challenges you are facing, you can put it there. We have support email address where you have facing any problem, you can write email to us. We will give you the support. Over and above, I told you Facebook group. So you just put it the problem there. People are there to solve your problem or help you. I'm there to help you. And it's a long-term learning. So you will have, apart from this course, you will have live webinars, Facebook live sessions, right? Which will teach you more and more. So regularly that will keep on happening. So you will have this course learning, plus you'll have that community learning, and that's completely different. So you will have huge learning, huge value here when you join our community. So we need only action takers. That's very clear. Okay. If you are a freebie seeker, definitely you should stay away. If you're looking for that, everything should come free to you. There is no free lunch in business. Hope you understand that. So this is business. This is going to help you to earn money. Definitely it will not come free of cost. Okay. So if you are a freebie seekers, please just stay away. If you're only interested in crying for your past failure, there are people who only want to talk about that. I failed in another business. I failed in that. You failed. There might be many reasons. Everybody fails. Even I failed in the starting, right? 4 months, I told you I struggled like anything. Everybody fails. There is nothing new in that, right? The important is that how do you respond to that? Whether you just keep talking about that and leave it, then you can go nowhere. Nothing will change. But if you really want to improve your life, your financial situation, you want to make your future better rather than keep crying about your past failure, then you need to take action. That's important. Important is what action you take right now to make your future better. That is what important. All right. So if you are ready to take action, to make your future better, then you should join this course. Otherwise, definitely you should stay away. If you cannot take a small calculated risk, you can see the risk is very, very small here. It's only 4,000 rupees. When I say only, you might be saying, oh, 4,000 is a small amount of what? 4,000 is not a small amount. But if you compare 4,000 rupees with the kind of earning what you are going to get, if you compare the ROI on that, then this course is tiny. This 4,000 amount is tiny fraction of what you're going to get. Think like that. You understand? In compared to what the return you're going to get with the help of this course and with this earning opportunity, what you're going to earn. This 4,000 is nothing. You got it? And your risk is even more reduced because you're joining a community where you're going to learn, right? Long-term learning. You have an expert, you have an entire team to support you. So your risk is very, very minimum. And if you cannot take even the minimum risk, then definitely you should stay away from this business. If you're looking for quick, rich program and not ready to work, then you should stay away. This is not a quick, LeadsArc is not a quick, rich, make money program. It's a training product which can help you to do online business for any product you are promoting. It's basically a training program, okay? If you have that negative attitude, loser mindset, negative attitude, talking about this is bad, that is scam, that's how every loser talk. If that kind of attitude you have, please stay away. That's what I can say. All right. So let's hear it out from one more team member. His name is Jomi John, what he has to say about my training.
Hi friends, my name is Jomi John. I am father of a 7-year-old son, married to a superwoman. I worked in Dubai for a couple of years in IT field and led digital marketing and now a social media marketer. Few months back, I was searching for a genuine online business opportunity to earn some handy income. And that is where I met Mr. Ayaz Mohammed sir, and through his guidance and mentorship, I crossed $5,000 from a single affiliate marketing business platform. His guidance and mentorship helped me immensely to learn affiliate marketing professionally. Affiliate marketing is a booming industry, and if you are someone who is looking for a reliable and sustainable income source, then I would strongly suggest Mr. Ayaz Mohammed sir's training and mentorship. He is a true champion who over-delivers values to his team members. The best part about my affiliate marketing journey is that I was really fortunate enough to get a mentor like him. He literally transformed all my concept about affiliate marketing. The most important aspect I learned from his training is the free and organic traffic methods to generate high converting and high quality leads. We all know that quality leads are part and parcel of any business. Through his guidance and training, I was able to generate as many leads I wanted in my business, and that too through free and organic traffic. So do join his winning team to transform your life. Thank you.
So that's Jomi John. One more, just hear it out before I close it. Aryan Chaturvedi, what he has to say about it.
Hello guys, this is Aryan Chaturvedi, an affiliate marketer, I have started affiliate marketing on 11th of February 2020. At that time, I was a newbie in affiliate marketing and didn't know a single thing about it. But at that time, Ayaz Muhammad sir provided me the training material that helped me a lot to understand the affiliate marketing, as well as it helped me to get the sales, right? Because at that time I didn't know that how I'm gonna do my sales work. Until now I have made it 1750 USD, and in INR it is approx 1,25,000 in just last 70 days, right? In affiliate marketing or anything you want to do on online marketing, you just need a right mentor, and Ayaz Muhammad sir is one of them.
Right. So that's all from my side. If you have any questions, you can definitely ask. And if you are ready to take action with us, right? If you are ready to take action, if you are the action taker, if you are interested to purchase this course, you can write your name and say, I'm interested, and we'll take it further, right? Not only the course, you are also getting the money making, like affiliate marketing opportunity. So that's the thing. So you are not only going to learn, but you're also going to make money with us. You're going to earn money here. So that's the opportunity. So write your name and say, I'm interested. We will take it further. So all of you are ready to take action. So Arjun is saying, I'm interested, but tell me what is your question. I can address it. Okay. So and any one of you are interested to purchase this, please write your name and say, I'm interested, and then we can take it further. What kind of product we have to sell? See, this is what we are giving you is a training product, right? Which you are going to learn how to generate leads. Now once you learn, you can sell any digital product, right? And we are giving you this product itself to sell. This is also a product, right? So you can sell this product and earn money, and you can sell any other product you want. You can get the product from ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or even direct sources. Any kind of courses product you have which you are promoting, it should be digital product. That's it. If it is digital product, you learn how to generate quality leads for the product. So it's not about just product, it's more about the process. If you learn the right process, you will get the result. So it's about the training, what you're getting, how to get quality leads for any product, provided it is digital. The training is more effective for digital product and not physical product. Hope it's clear, right? Yes, Shankar Sharma is saying, I'm interested. Awesome. Shiva is saying, I'm interested. Great. So you guys are action takers, right? And yeah, so Arjun, Kasid, you guys are action takers. And as I said, I love working with action takers. So all you have to do is just contact the person who invited you to this webinar and tell him that you want to join, or you want to purchase LeadShark and join this business. You want to go ahead, and he will guide you for the process, how to make the payment. After making the payment, he will add you to our training group, and then we will take it further. Okay. And you will get, after purchase, within 24 hours, you will get the access to this course also, where you will start learning. So your learning starts plus your business starts. It's dual together. Okay. So please contact the person who invited you to the webinar, and we'll take it further. Yes, Ankit Agarwal is saying interested. Chirag Rawat, thank you. GCTI, I'm interested. Please write your name. Ajamuddin saying, can I make payment tomorrow? You just please contact the person who invited you. Okay, you can make today or tomorrow. You can make it. You can just speak to him. I have very few interaction on social media. I'm not a lot on glamour and show and image building. So is the right business for me? It's not about what you are till now. Right? It is not that glamour or something, but are you willing to learn and you are ready to take action? What being tell you? If you have that attitude, this business is for you. But if you are a kind of that, I'm not so close to social media and I will not take action, then it's better don't join. You understand? So what you have not done so far that is not the question. Are you ready to learn and make money and take action? Then this business is for you. You should have the attitude. That's it. Then this business is for you. This world is for you. Hope you understand. Because I come from HR background, right? You know, the HR is absolutely non-technical, right? I'm from HR background. I have my own recruitment consultancy. So that is background. And when I can learn and I can do this business, anyone can do that. Absolutely non-technical person. January 2017, I started affiliate marketing business. And believe me, before June 2016, means 6 months before, before June 2016, I was not knowing the word affiliate marketing. Believe me, I was not knowing that. I'm from that background. So if I can learn and execute and I can do that, you can do that. Hope you understand. Anil is saying interested. Congratulations. You are the action taker. Yes, Rahul. Okay, Rahul, great. Gagan Sharma is interested. Yes. Hari Chauhan, interested. Hina, interested. So all of you who are saying interested, first I want to congratulate you because you guys are action takers. And I have already told you, I love working with action takers. Okay. Please just take the mobile right now and contact the person who invited you to the webinar and tell him that you want to purchase LeadShark and you want to join this business. He will guide you how to make the payment. You can make the payment and join our team and we will start the training. And the course which we are talking about, LeadShark, you will get within 24 hours. And by the time we will finish up your affiliate link and all those processes will be ready. And then you are ready to boom. Okay. Yes. Oppo A7 is saying, definitely I'm interested in joining. Thank you, Ayaz. Wish you should have given your name also. Yes, Ajamuddin. Ayaz, sir, also I wanted to go for $25 one up tomorrow. I'll purchase both the products. I really liked your process. Get mentor, inshallah. Thank you so much, Ajamuddin Sheikh. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name properly. Simo Singh, thank you so much for the valuable information. Thank you, Simo Singh. Himanshu Thakur, sir, इसमें product lead conversion और follow up सिखाया जाएगा ना? So ये जो main जो course है, ये lead conversion का, lead process का, lead generation का. इसमें sales process या conversion, आपके पास अगर product अच्छा है तो आप ऐसे भी सीखिएगा. लेकिन जैसा मैंने आपको बताया कि यहाँ सिर्फ ये product, ये course से learning नहीं है. Course plus community learning है. तो जो हमारे कम्युनिटी में ज्वाइन करते हैं वो कम्युनिटी क्या कर रहे हैं, प्रोडक्ट को सेल कर रहे हैं. तो ऑब्वियसली जो रेगुलर लाइव ट्रेनिंग होगा वो सेल्स ट्रेनिंग के बारे में होगा. तो आप यहां से लीड जनरेशन सीखते हैं और सेल्स वहां से सीखते हैं. समझ में आ गया? सेल्स वहां से सीखते हैं आप. So that is, it's a community learning. So where you have regular live sessions, live classes where you learn. So you learn lead generation and sales both when you join our team. Hope you understand. Samit Bose, if I join, then I need to pay 55 USD. Then what is about 35 USD said by Mr. Aman? So Mr. Aman would have told you some other product. Please speak to him. Here, this course is 4,000 rupees. All right. Yes. Anything else? Any other questions? Anybody interested in to take action? You can write your name and say, I'm interested. If you have any queries, you can definitely ask your queries and I'm here to address you. I have few more minutes I can take. Yes, Gurpreet, you are already in Teams. Good, great. All right, so I assume there is no further questions, right? So all of you who have decided, who have said that interested, please take it, what do you say? Just contact the person who invited you to the webinar and we will take it further. Somebody has asked, please try add passive income in the future. As I told you, we are working on our own platform, which is going to get ready in 2 to 3 weeks. And we will add passive income features in that. It will be added. Thank you. So kindly send your link to contact for joining course. So please contact the person who invited you to the webinar. Okay. Sir, leads आपको resell कर सकते हैं. That's what I told you, 75% commission. I told you the entire affiliate opportunity that you will get 75% commission. 75% commission मिलेगा, आप इसको resell कीजिएगा तो. Okay. Thanks a lot. Always to hear your voice. Attend couple of webinar. Follow your FB. You are awesome. Good, great work with you. Thank you. Thanks, Ajamuddin Sheikh. Thank you so much for your kind words. I want to ask their target to complete. Their target to complete in the sense, I did not understand, Shankar Sharma, your question. Sir, will it help in selling physical product? It will help 50-60%, not very effectively. I don't want to just to sell the product. I don't want to give you false commitment. You can learn the strategy, you can apply, but I will say 50% effective, right? It is more effective, highly effective for digital product. Okay. Direct bank account में आएगा पैसा after sales. बैंक अकाउंट में ही आएगा, but through InstaMojo आएगा. आपके InstaMojo में immediately payment हो जाएगा, आपका मतलब reflect करेगा पैसा. लेकिन InstaMojo takes, I think it pays weekly on Friday. तो आपको Friday को आएगा payment आपके बैंक अकाउंट में directly. Okay. और जब हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म आ जाएगा तो वहां से भी डायरेक्टली आपको बैंक में ही आएगा डायरेक्ट पेमेंट. Thanks a ton. Hope you're safe, fine with your family. Yes, thank you so much. Thanks, Sumit. Yes, we are very safe, and thank you so much with God's grace. And I hope all of you are safe. So all of you, please be safe. We are going to end the session. Take care of your family. Take care of yourself. Take care of your elders, and be safe at home. Could you please explain about InstaMojo? InstaMojo is a gateway, payment gateway platform. It's just a payment gateway. Okay, it works for India. Yes. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. It was a nice session. It was great interacting with all of you. Thank you so much and wish you all all the best. And I want to see you all in the training. Thank you. Great meeting to you all. Thank you so much.